Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Today we're gonna unboxing the AT2035. I have already AT2020. This is replacement. I hope to be much more better than the old one. Let's take a look what I have in the box. User manual, carry bag is still much more better, and the letter than the 2020. 2035 is coming with the shock mount. It's a plastic, not so good one. As well, I see the reducer is a plastic one. It's good that I have a metal one. And here you go, the microphone. The design is exactly the same one, not much difference. Have a difference that is have low cut 80 Hz, low pass, high pass filter, and the path of 10 decibels that is switchable directly from the microphone. Let's take a look how it sounds. Now, since I connect the AT2035, you can see how it sounds with him. He's directly recorded. My settings are exactly the same like 2020. I noticed that this one is a little bit heavier. As well is slightly bigger one. The two buttons that are on him with the shock mount is hard to press it. But basically both microphones are very good one. Metal, durable. If you're on low budget, you can easily take AT2020. He's a great mic. I'm very happy with him. For different reasons, I just take AT2035. I hope you like the video. You like the sound. And please subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and see you later for more videos. Bye.